You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce it? In English, it's usually said as Mayor Pro Tempore. Mayor Pro Tempore. Now, some say it also as Pro Tempore, because it sounds more Latin, and it's also correct. Mayor Pro Tempore, English pronunciation, or Mayor Pro Tempore, which works too, being Latin. And now you know. More videos for you here. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.